Well, after 2 hours of driving, we finally reached our hotel or resort just by the foothill of Mount Agung.
Yep.
So we're going to walk around to explore the area. Okay.
Yep.
So
Let's go.
so this is the reception building. Okay, what do you call that?
Welcome to Great Mount
The
View
resort and restaurant reception. So that is where we're going to stay for a couple of days.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the rooms are just heading there.
Yeah. So we'll just have a look.
Gonna show you.
Look, that's the office, I must. Office and so
There's the rice field, the swimming pool.
rice field, swimming pool. But the mountain is closed, the mountain top's closed, but will be open tomorrow morning. So that's the view of the restaurant, swimming pool. So we're gonna go there, right?
Yep.
So through this one, this path.
Many leaves as well.
Yeah. So yeah,
Can you go down
yeah.
here?
So I said, look, yeah, due to this pandemic, a lot of business was affected by it, and in fact, in this beautiful properties, we are the only guest. Not many more guests coming. So this is one of the property, beautiful properties, and this one is going for the.
Those are other rooms.
There are other rooms, other
Nobody
property, but like I said to you, no one, empty.
No.
So it's very sad actually. They are highly affected by this COVID-19.
These two
So,
are like.
but unfortunately, fortunately, they're still maintaining the property very clean, very fresh, and as we go here, so this is where the restaurants and
This is the restaurant that we're gonna eat dinner in.
this is the restaurant. We can choose to
There's
eat
the
dinner
swimming
here,
pool.
or we can choose to eat dinner at this gazebo there. That's gazebo over there.
Oh, yep.
And this is a swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
Apparently this is not the road to go there, so we have to go through this, right?
Yeah, we have to go down.
Go down through this side. Okay. Yeah, this is the path to the swimming pool. Very nice again. They managed to keep it clean despite of
It's pretty deep.
no guest. So that's
Pretty deep
yeah.
as well.
If you look at it, it's very beautiful green rice paddy.
Are we gonna walk on the rice paddy?
So yes, we will. Yeah, look at this is all the properties,
And that's our room up there.
and that's right there is our room right there.
Rooms up and down.
That's up and down. That's our room,
Yep.
and this is the whole property. Very nice and looking green. And as always, since we are in Bali, so they will have a little temple there right in the corner there,
Yeah.
and this is a place where they have to take
Shower from the swimming pool.
So so now me and Eliana, we are looking away to go there,
Yep.
right? To go there, just walk around,
Walk around,
enjoy the rice fields. Okay, I think we know how. We seen a path,
Yeah.
and you see that ducks. Okay, there. All right. Okay. See you later.
That was really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, huh? All right.
I love
Well, me and Eliana, we try to
Find a pathway.
find a path through the rice field.
But
We can't go through the front side of the hotel or resort, so we go to the other side. So we found a path, and you can see that's a path that Eliana just chose. I think we try to go through that path. Let's see how it is. All right, let's go there. Let's try this one. Okay, come down. Don't be afraid. Okay, so yeah, so this is the path that we will try. Okay, slowly. So this is a rice terrace, they call. So the water naturally just came from that side and slowly, gradually goes down to this level.
Can you go under here?
I can't think so. Or maybe we try that side. Let's go through that side there.
Okay.
Pathing, okay?
Let's try the other side.
Yeah, we couldn't find a path across. Still find the area. But I think we're just gonna go through this path, this road.
Yeah.
Look at this, a beautiful a house from bamboo house. Look at that.
Whoa.
One of the guy resort bamboo house.
There's nobody in there. Yeah.
It's beautiful, beautiful. We are at the middle of the rice paddies now. Just give you the perspective of the surrounding. Yes.
Not clicking.
Huh?
Not clicking.
It's not clicking. You pressed the wrong button there. There's a button here. There you are. Eliana is learning how to use the big camera. Okay.
Yeah, I'm still
Alright.
learning how to. Okay.
Yeah. Nice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so where are we gonna go? We're gonna go straight there?
Can you hold this now?
I will.
I'll hold this for now. And then you can put this back and I'll get... Okay, so we are... yeah, we're...
Slowly, panning it slowly, otherwise people start from the
okay.
beginning.
So, we already walked down the rice field a little bit. So you can see we're far away and closer and more closer to the houses right there. And the sun is setting down.
Yeah.
Yep.
So what we're going to do now,
We're just gonna
wait a little bit.
And just look around.
If the sun will go down a little bit,
and it's getting
so
cool.
and the bright side will just come out to dark, and just the top part is going to be bright, the bottom part will be, and then I'll take a good picture of that. All right.
And because the bottom part is dark and the top part is still bright, so
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do.
yeah, and we're just gonna wait.
So that's where Mount Agung is, but it's closed.
It's closed because
Covered
of
by the cloud,
clouds.
as mountain always do.
We're really close to people's houses.
So that's the other resort, I think. So we're going to walk towards that direction.
And we'll come back to you guys.
Okay, come back to you guys later. All right. Okay. Eliana is learning how to take photos with small flowers. Is that Elias again?
Yeah, that's him. He went back in.
Back
But
out.
I'm gonna show you this. Whoa. This photo I took.
Okay, Eliana is trying to do his normal routine. Come, okay, Eliana, let's go. Not like. Okay, again. And Elias, it's not for swing, that one. Yeah, but it will be broken if you keep doing that swing.
Okay, so it's the second day, no, actually the first day here, and it's really nice. We went on the rice field yesterday. And we're eating breakfast.
We're not eating, we just finished.
I know,
Exposed it and exposed.
but still you're drinking.
Yeah, that's not bad.
So, okay. Still rice field, still no rice. Oh, still no rice. Taking for some photos. And then there's people working. There. Can you zoom in? Can you zoom in this thing? Oh. Okay. That's Mount AGUNG right there. The one that's sticking out right there. Yeah. That.
Okay, this is our last day in Great View Mountain. Unfortunately, the Mount AGUNG is closed, but we enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and also put a thumbs up and ring the bell as well.